Hi, today we are going to see Schneider Electric Machine Expert HVAC for PLC as well as DDS controller. Okay, this is the software we are going to use today. Today we just going to see only basic things, how to configure, how to programming, how to create a project, like that only. Okay, in this we are going to use either 18 iOS, 18 iOS or 28 42 iOS. Both are M1 controller only. I will create project name, please. Store in desktop. Okay. So it will automatically create a project. Okay. Actually, these are all input terminals. These are all input terminals, both level 1, level 2. Same like these are also input terminals, level 1, level 2. It's nothing but we can use either digital input output, analog input output, and some of the related things, as well as 24 volt DC supply. And we having from our system to controller micro USB, and this is we can use for can open, and we having the Ethernet port at the top of the controller. Okay, here we having the 4 types of tag: configuration for configuring the controller, programming tab for logic programs like function block, ladder diagram, instruction list, structure text, like that. Display is nothing but in our controller we having one type of display type model. Okay, I'll just show you that. This is the controller because wait, you can see the display, right? The small rectangle box, this is the display. The same one we can able to configure. We can configure here, and commissioning part is nothing but we having the things that we should configure. These are all the things we will see in future videos. Now we just going to see only the configuration method. Okay, you can see EEPROM parameters. This is the M1 2845 was EEPROM parameters. Here you can add either local variables or what are the set point you going to keep, like that one. Status variable, where you going to show the status. BIOS parameter is nothing but just for mapping purpose. And what are all the things we are going to calibrate or configure, the IP address, like that. This is the IO mapping. IO mapping is nothing but what we going to mention: analog input, analog output, digital input or digital output. Same. This is a very advanced controller. We can able to configure a lot of things. For the first few days we just see the basic things. Okay, you can see upcoming videos. Thank you.